Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Volkswagen Passat door panel. Only ways. Start by lowering the window and removing visible screws and trim pieces right away. Use a plastic trim tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame, working around edges to release clips without bending metal. Disconnect any wiring harnesses, especially for switches and speakers, then lift the panel upward to free it from the door. Start by locating and removing the trim and fasteners, then use a plastic wedge to separate the panel from the door shell. Move slowly and work around the entire panel to avoid breaking clips, keeping removed screws organized in a small tray. When clips release, pull the panel upward to disengage the top edge, then carefully unplug any wiring for switches and speakers before fully removing the panel and setting it on a covered bench. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more useful guides. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion for hands-free timers, music, and step prompts while you work. I placed a link and extra deals in the description so you can check them out if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If clips snap, replace them with OEM or compatible fasteners to ensure the panel fits securely after reassembly. For stuck clips, try warming the area slightly or alternating gentle pulls and pries to avoid cracking surrounding plastic. Keep track of where each screw and connector belongs by labeling or photographing positions, which saves time and prevents electrical mistakes during reinstallation of the door panel and trim pieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.